Hi, I'm Kotipathan Tirumalarao, a final year information technology student from Agni College of Technology. Today I am here to discuss and demonstrate my final year project. And my project was titled as IoT based system for human and animal deterrence and sustainable crop management. Let us discuss what is the main purpose and aim of our project. The main aim of our project to protect the crops from wildlife and to save the animals from humans in a eco-friendly manner. Before going to our demonstration, let us see what are all the main components we used in our project. Let us see what are all the hardware components we used in this project. Let us start with ESP microcontroller. We are using this microcontroller to transfer the data from one input device to another input device, and also it have a lot of inbuilt features like inbuilt Wi-Fi module and Bluetooth module, and also it can take the inputs from other devices, and also it can connect with the output devices. Next, IR sensor. We used IR sensor to detect the motion of the animal in the field. Next, our component is GPS. GPS is used to track the locations with the help of satellites. So here we used GPS to know the location of the animals with the help of latitude and longitude. Our next component is OLED. OLED we use it to display our results in from the remote area. Next, we are using a buzzer to alert the farmer in the remote area. In our project, we are using 5-volt DC power. So, this power converter help us to convert for 15 holes AC current to DC current. Coming to softwares which we are used. Firstly, we used Python to write the scripts of CNN and SVM, and also we used Anaconda Navigator to support the Python scripts globally with library access, and we used Virtual Studio Code IDE to maintain our scripts and also to write our scripts. And we used a cloud platform called adafruit.io to maintain our detected animal logs there. And finally, we used CP210 so USB driver to connect with our ESP32 with our laptop. Coming to system architecture, here in screen we can see our system architecture diagram. Here the input was once the animal was detected by IR sensor, the immediately the data will collect from IR sensor and automatically the camera module will on. And once the camera module will on, the camera module will capture the image and send it to the ES, our system architecture diagram. Here, the input was once the animal was detected by IR sensor, the immediately the data will collect from IR sensor and automatically the camera module will on. And once the camera module will on, the camera module will capture the image and send it to the ESP32. And after that, the ESP32 processes the data to process layer, where in process layer we maintain CNN and SVM logics. CNN is used to detect the animal, and SVM will use to classify which animal species it was. And after detecting and classification, it redirected to ESP32, and there our third layer was making layer, which having a features like ultrasonic sound, flashlight, and water sprinklers. There the action was taken according to the species. If The animal was small, then it activated the ultrasonic sound. If the animal was large, it activated the flash. If the animal was medium size, it activated the water sprinklers so that we can deterrent the animal from the cropland. Also, we are providing a UI layer where the farmer can use it from their remote area. We provided a web page include what animal came and how many times and what time, and if the animal is there in the land or not. Also, in the farmer house, we can have a over LED buzzer which connected with the ESMB so that we can achieve our project successfully. Yes. Finally, come to our final project demonstration in live. Let us go to demonstration. Yes, here we can see how our project components are integrated with each other, and all the components are connected with the ESP32, and we can see over LED buzzer, and these are the two different modules. Here, where the OR LED was placed, that module was completely removed. And coming to our code execution, first we need to open the Anaconda Navigator and type code there, and we will navigate to VS Code editor where we can see all our project code is there. And here the overall project is under the file structure of project system, and also here we can see the final.py where the complete final code was there inside it. Now we are going navigating to final.py. Here we can see the final.py is inside the IoT and animal, then only final dot. Now, after executing final.py, we can see our project will start execution. It automatically open the Jupyter notebook and with camera module. There we can see the camera module is open. Here we can see the how it was detecting animal, and it giving the percentage of 98 percentage. After that, it automatically the sound alarm was triggered and over LED buzzer, and over LED will show animal and latitude and latitude. Coming to our web development, here inside we can see web app there, index.html. We can see how accurately the logs are loading inside our web app. Also, here we have a different sections: animal details, animal deterrence summary, and live intent feed. We have a options for dark mode and also bar chart and pie chart. If we change it to pie, it will graph will change it to pie. We also have a download Excel button where the feed will automatically download into our local system. Here we can see how it downloading. After download, let us open the file. Here we can see what the animal was detected and time also we can get in this file. This is our project live demonstration. Thank you for your valuable time.